just checking if, because the way you properly sharpen is when you sharpen it till the edge, then little tiny parts of the metal come on this side. That's called a burr. That's when you've made a new edge. So when I'm sharpening it, when I put my finger on like this, I'm checking for the burr, because when a burr comes, that means I've made a new edge.
ये भी rough side है.
Yeah. So there's two sides to the stone. Now over here in Pakistan, you can't really find stones with numbers, so I have no idea what grit they are. But I can roughly estimate that this is like 250 and this is somewhere near 800. The reason I'm putting water on it is so that when the abrasion on this and the abrasion on this, the water carries it away and gives me fresh stone, which sharpens faster and moves those pieces of stone that has been cut away. Like once the water's dirty, you can see all this stuff on it. So you can see all that stuff. So now there's burr on the sides and in a part in the middle, but not all the way through. So I'm going to keep on sharpening until the surface is flat. Okay, now that I've got a burr all the way throughout, I'm going to flip to the fine side and I'm going to restart the process. The other day when I was sharpening, I noticed that there's a little bump on the stone, so I had to break that, and now I have a missing gap in my stone. Now I'm going to remove the burr. So that when I finish it on the fine side, there'll be a new finer burr. And I remove the burr one last time, and it's ready. Now flip over, rinse, and repeat. So you can adjust this by the screws, so you can make very fine adjustments. You just drop this in, make sure it's straight, and then you just put this in and tighten this up with a screwdriver. This one's done. The adjustments I'll make later. This one's a very basic one because this is a very low angle one. That's why I also have a lower angle on this. This goes backwards because this is for finishing. And because it's finishing, I'm going to give it a very, take it out very less. And then this one is our local design from Pakistan. This is an extra piece. It doesn't usually come with ones, but it makes using this a lot better. This slides up and you leave a bit of gap between the actual blade. This is made from a used blade. And then you tighten this. And this is its stopper. So you put the blade in, and then you put the stopper in, align the blade, and that's it, ready. This is my favorite one.